Namaste दोस्तों, welcome to our show सरल बात। दोस्तों, today we are going to meet a stunning personality, a young woman from Thane city. Because recently she has won the title of Miss India Australia 2020. She is Shrutika Mane.
Hello and namaste. My name is Shrutika Mane and I'm so honoured and grateful to be chosen as Miss India Australia 2020. That I understand and respect the responsibility that comes with the title, and I would definitely like to take this opportunity to promise to live up to the title and honour of the name Miss India Australia. So thank you once again.
So welcome Shrutika. We are so excited and happy to talk to you. Shrutika, we are really proud that you have made us feel proud by winning the title of Miss India Australia 2020. So would you please share your journey to this?
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having me. Firstly, Rachna Aunty, it's lovely speaking to you. I've shared a lovely experience of going to school with your daughter, so it's an absolute pleasure to be speaking with you. As far as my journey to Miss India Australia, it's been absolutely beautiful, absolutely full of surprises, an unexpected journey that ended up in my life without even planning for it to be that way. To tell you the story behind how I ended up with Miss India Australia, कुछ ऐसे हुआ कि June में a family friend called us. We're just having a very casual chat, you know. We never thought we'll end up hearing about something so special. And we were just हाल चाल पूछ रहे थे कि कैसे चल रहा है सब कुछ, and उन्होंने बस mention कर दिया. There's a founder called Raj Suri, and he founded Miss India Australia back in 2001. So tab se we've been having Miss India Australias for almost 20 years now, coming into 2021. And they just suggested that's something you could check out, and it might be something that Shrutika is interested in. उस वक्त मेरा चल रहा था थोड़ा सा एक्टिंग की ट्रेनिंग चल रही थी, कथक मैं 12 साल से करती हूँ. So all of that was happening alongside. So they thought it might be something that I'll be interested in. So immediately the same day, we Googled it, website पर देखा. Now obviously I'm at uni also, I'm a health and medical sciences student. तो घर में there was a discussion कि ऐसे कुछ pursue करने से पहले सबसे बात हो जाए, so everyone's on the same page, and everyone was very encouraging, everyone was very happy with that decision. तो we applied online, कुछ registration fee थी, उसके बाद उन्होंने कुछ photos, headshots मेरे मांगे, and बस घर पे हमने, I think the next day we took photos at home. Just in my balcony outside in the backyard, we took a few photos of me. We sent those photos, they liked it. Interview के लिए phone आ गया, उसके बाद audition करा मैंने. And I live away from home, so my family is in Sydney. So Adelaide में I live in student accommodation. So आपको बताने जाऊँ तो मेरी room बिल्कुल matchbox जितनी है. It's narrow. आपको ठीक से यहाँ से शायद दिख नहीं रही हूँ, but it's narrow and it's very, it's a bit long but narrow. तो they said ramp walk करना है and photo shoot करना है, all over Zoom. Because of COVID, we couldn't meet in person, but everything was over Zoom. So I did a ramp walk for them. I did a photo shoot, just like we are talking. I did a photo shoot for them on Zoom. And मैंने उनको कथक भी करके दिखाया इसी छोटे से रूम में. यहाँ बिल्कुल मैं बस I was just missing the study table and the bed के बीच में मैं कहीं नाची हूँ. And मैंने मोहे रंग दो लाल पर उनको एक डांस करके दिखाया था. Absolutely grateful for the fact that they have trusted me with the crown. As excited as I am, I understand that it's a huge responsibility to be given the title. The journey has just begun. Winning the crown was not the end of the journey by any means. It's only the beginning. So much more to come.
मैं हूँ श्रुतिका.
I would like to know what is your future plan?
To be honest with you, the first question that many people asked me when I won Miss India Australia is अब आगे क्या और पढ़ाई का क्या, health and medical sciences student हो, सब छोड़ना है अब कुछ. मैंने कहा नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. हेल्थ एंड मेडिकल साइंसेज मेरी पसंद है. मैंने वो कोई इसके लिए जिस टाइम पास के लिए नहीं उठाया था कि साइड में ये शुरू हो और पढ़ाई कुछ और. आई रियली लव स्टडीइंग. आई एंजॉय गोइंग टू यूनी. I enjoy the satisfaction of academics. So that is a huge part of my life. So I have only finished my first year in health and medical sciences, और उसके 2 साल बाकी है. उसके बाद बहुत प्लान है कि ऑनर्स भी करूं, मास्टर्स भी करूं. I had plans of studying MBA in the US and starting my own startup. So there are lots and lots of plans. But at the same time, acting has always been a huge part of my life. Acting and Kathak, they have been absolutely parallel with academics my entire life. I'm sure if you ask your daughter Gargi, she will remember me from school. School ke time se hi, and we've been in so many competitions together as well. She'll remember. Public speaking, debating, that has been a huge part of my life. तो इस तरह की बातें करना लोगों से, to connect with people, I absolutely enjoy these things. So to be honest with you, I'm going with the flow. जैसे चीजें they're presenting themselves, opportunities are presenting themselves. Somewhere at the back of my mind, that knack is there to be in this field, and that's driving me. So honestly, I'm in a phase of my life where I'm just trusting my instincts. And I've never done that before, so it's very exciting to be trusting your instincts and going with the flow and to really explore what's inside of you. So jaise cheezein aa rahi hai, I'm enjoying every single moment of it. And as opportunities come up, I'm sure there will be a path that is chalked out for me, and I'm just following my gut.
If I would ask you, describe yourself. So how would you describe yourself?
If I had to describe myself, I would honestly, looking at the way I have been in this past year, I think 2020, I've been going against the norm. Because for me, in my family, to be in this field was very much against the norm. For me to be 20 years old and to be doing all of this is also quite different. I haven't seen many other people my age want to work 2 or 3 jobs or start their own company. I'm ahead of time maybe, but against the norm. I really like doing things that I am told not to do. मुझे बहुत लोगों ने कहा कि ये फील्ड तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है, तुम इसके लिए you're not cut out. But I am thoroughly enjoying going against the norm. और I don't know if that's a problem, but मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है इन चीजों में, क्योंकि ये मेरे अंदर से चीजें आ रही हैं. They're different. बहुत लोगों ने मेरे आजू बाजू ये देखा नहीं है वर्ल्ड, मेरी फैमिली ने शायद नहीं देखा इतने करीब से, तो दे आर कंसर्न्ड एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड देयर कंसर्न, बट दे आर वेरी प्राउड. सो आई थिंक इफ आई हैड टू डिस्क्राइब माई सेल्फ एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम, द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट फ्रेज वुड बी अगेंस्ट द नॉर्म.
So would you like to give some message or some advice to the girls?
So in terms of sending a message across to the young girls, Miss India Australia, when Raj Suri first started, was out of the idea of empowering women, and especially empowering Indian women in Australia. यहाँ ऐसे बहुत लड़कियां हैं जो they come from India at a very young age, या फिर कुछ ऐसी भी हैं जो शादी के बाद आती हैं. तो यहाँ पे there's a huge Indian community, there's a huge Indian community, लेकिन there are certain ideas of confidence and of beauty that hold people back. तो एक certain idea है कि सुंदर मतलब लंबी, गोरी और पतली, ऐसी एक idea है society में जो आज तक exist करती है, and the fact that I have been able to win Miss India Australia shows that he's not trying to serve, that's not beauty, and I'm not sure कि कितने और साल लगेंगे इस idea को बदलने में, लेकिन खरी सुंदरता मेरे घर में जो मुझे सिखाई गई थी कि आप लोगों से किस तरह बात करते हैं, किस तरह पेश आते हैं, आपके स्वभाव में क्या है, and what you do for people is true beauty. उस आइडिया को लेके I really want to progress with that idea. जब से वो मेरी समझ में आ गई है ना, बहुत I think at a younger age I understood कि that's beauty. जब से वो समझ आ गई है, बहुत मन करता है कि छोटी लड़कियों से जाके बात करूं, चाहे इंडिया में हो चाहे यहाँ के स्कूल्स में हो, and understand what their obstacles are, what is holding you back. इतना सब कुछ है हमारे पास, we're so talented women, we're so skilled. इतनी सारी चीजें एक साथ करने की ताकत भगवान ने हम में दी हुई है. So उस चीज को हम underestimate करते हैं या recognize नहीं कर पाते हैं, and that's where the problem lies. It's not that we don't have it, it's that we don't see it. एंड अब जो ये प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है उससे एक रीच मिली है, एक आवाज मिली है, और जिस तरह मैंने आपसे कहा देयर इज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दैट कम्स विद दैट. तो मैं हर दिन काम पे, आई वर्क ऑल्सो पार्ट टाइम, आई एम गोइंग टू वर्क, आई एम कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम वर्क ऑन द बस. मैं हमेशा सिर्फ यही सोच रही हूँ कि क्या करूँ, कहाँ से शुरुआत करूँ, व्हाट कैन आई डू. So I'm just going to honestly follow that. And every young girl, I hope, gets inspired by my journey, but more so the idea that she can do anything. It's not so much about, क्योंकि हम बहुत वक्त बर्बाद करते हैं दूसरे लोगों को देखने में. मैंने भी किया हुआ है, घंटों भर बैठ के इंस्टाग्राम पे आई एम वॉचिंग अदर पीपल डू अदर अमेजिंग थिंग्स, एंड दैट डजंट टेक यू एनीवेयर ऑनेस्टली. I really want them to not so much look at me, but get inspired by it and find what it is in them. So I think that's extremely important, और इस platform से that's very possible. and बस काम करना है. तो मैं हर वक्त आजकल यही सोच रही हूँ कि काम कहाँ से शुरू करूँ, कब शुरू करूँ. Just waiting for it, just going to get started.
Shrutika, it was really nice talking to you, and it was nice to know your views, your ideas, your ideologies, everything. And God bless you. Have a nice time, Shrutika. Thank you so much for sharing all your views and talking to us. Friends, if you like the channel, if you want to know more about Shrutika, you can mention in our comments. She will definitely reply. And see you all. Bye. Thank you.